Greetings you all. This is how to play Baba Siyabonga. So I will use F sharp, G sharp and C sharp. So before wasting of time, please don't forget to subscribe. So before wasting of time, don't forget to subscribe so our channel can grow. So let me start it. I will start with G sharp. Okay, it says Baba siyabonga konke kwenzileyo ngalokho. It's just that I don't know the lyrics. Na 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 na. Okay. Na 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 na. Okay, I hope you saw it. Okay, let me introduce beat so we can hear how it will sound. So let's go to F sharp. F sharp. Okay. Don't forget to subscribe, somebody. Okay, it starts here, right here. Okay, it says Baba siyabonga ngakho konke okwenzileyo nalokho uhlezi ubonayo. Okay, it says thank you. Let's go to C sharp. Okay, in C sharp it starts right here. Okay. Okay. Baba siyabonga